Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ChatGPT not responding solutions. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is drag down your notification bar and check to see if you have a stronger internet connection or not. Sometimes the weaker connection also might be the issue that is causing you problem. So switching over to a different Wi-Fi connection, internet connection, or your cellular data will fix the issue. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right and then type in ChatGPT. And once it loads, tap on the app to check if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings, scroll down, tap on general, and once you're inside general, type on iPhone storage. And once you type on iPhone storage, scroll down and then locate ChatGPT. And once you locate it, tap on it and then tap on the option that says upload app. And what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that's done, all you gotta do is reset the app and then try again, and that will fix your issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.